Yes, we do. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go with Kilts, the nice green robot. Firing, landing on red. Pioneer robots, 26565, clearing their classifier, landing. Very nicely done. The botanist, on the other hand, shooting from afar. This is a nice match where the arcs are also shooting with good accuracy, 5273. So note the design of 31190, sort of like a singular intake and shooting. 25656, the strafer with the side intake and
Drivers,
turret.
pick up your controllers.
Kilts, triple intake, and 5273 also has turret design. Watch those designs compete against each other.
3,
Pros and cons.
2,
As
1.
we go into the human piloting part. All four robots in motion. They're going to be playing to their strengths, and that's what I like to see. 25656 for Pioneers. Shooting and landing. Kilts, the robot that's built very solidly. Taking up 3, firing 2, landing 1. Red intake is cleared. Artifacts and Kilts, they land 2 more. They're going for pace, but the broader wheelbase means a little less maneuverability. They're slowing down compared to 25656, a very rapid robot that has just hoovered up some artifacts and landed 2 purple. The botanist robot, 31190, almost linear in its simplicity and elegance, taking up artifacts. Got a green in there, got 2 greens in there, got a purple in there, and they're going to be shooting using their limelight from close by in the launch zone. 1 landed. Let's see. Up. Are they shooting again? No, they're going back for more artifacts. I think you got a shot or 2 left in you. There we go. 2. Nope. Both of those miss. Pioneers making up for that. Landing a couple of artifacts in for blue. Let's go follow what red is doing. Kilts. Fire 3. Miss. Their accuracy is a little bit off, as is their pace. I also got another blue robot. Kind of like missing wide. That's the botanist, single sort of linear intake robot. 5273 from the far side. Lobbing in 2 artifacts nicely. Coming up for red. Red and blue almost neck and neck. Less than 10 points separating them. A lot could go on in this game as we enter end game. Red classifier is very full. Kilts emptying that. Red's making contact on blue in the blue base zone. I saw the referee wave their wand here. Are they going into park? We've got 4 seconds left. Both red robots, both blue robots in their base zones.
Up on the board, it's the Blue Alliance taking the win for match number 80 with a score of 229 to 207. 4 ranking points means upward motion for all the blue teams, whereas 1 ranking point for red will mean a mixed bag of results. We are going to introduce